Hi students, today in my fourth class, chapter wise specimen question 12th standard from integration chapter, fourth class, there are 7 questions, another 7 question is given. Let us try to solve all the questions which are important for the exam IC CBSE and West Bengal board 12th standard. Here sum number 21 sine to the power 4x we can write 1 by 4 into 4 sine to the power 4x, that is 1 by 4 1 2 sine square x whole square, that is 1 by 4 1 minus cos 2x whole square, that is 1 by 4 1 minus 2 cos 2x plus cos square 2x. We can write this by 2. 2 cos square 2x by 2 we can write cos square 2x. Then again 1 by 4 integration 1 minus 2 cos 2x plus half. Cos square 2x means 1 minus 1 plus cos 4x. That is 1 by 4. That is 1 by 4. 1 plus half means 3 by 2 minus 2 cos 2x plus 1 by 2 cos 4x. So this is after simplification we got this. Now integration of this, integration 1 by 4 sine to the power 4x dx equals to, we can write integration of this all over dx. Okay, 1 by 4 is outside. Now do integration, that is 1 by 4, here limit here 0 to pi by 2. Your limit. Integration 3 by 2 dx means 3 by 2x minus 2 cos 2 is integration sine 2x by 2 plus 1 by 2 sine 4x by 4. Your limit is 0 to pi by 2. First of all you break it, then took the limit 0 to pi by 2. Now take 1 by 4 upper limit 3 by 2 into pi by 2, that is sine pi is 0 plus 1 by 8 sine 2 pi is 0 minus 0, that is 1 by 4 into 3 pi by 4 equals to 3 pi by 16 is your final answer. Next sum number 22. Question number 22, here 5 plus 4 sine x. We have to convert sine x to submultiple angle of tan. Question number 22, integration 0 to pi by 2 dx 5 plus 4 into 2 tan x by 2. 2 tan x by 2 by 1 plus tan square x by 2. Now do addition, 1 plus tan square will be LCM, that will be go up, that is 0 to pi by 2 sec square x by 2 dx, and do addition 5 plus 5 tan square x, 5 plus 5 tan square x by 2 plus 8 tan x by 2. Denominator is 1 plus tan x by 2, that will be sec square x will go up. Now take tan x by 2, tan x by 2 equals to z, then sec square x by 2 into half dx equals to dz, that will be 2 dz. Now change the limit, this is value of this limit. If x equals to 0, z equals to tan 0 0. If x equals to pi by 2, z is tan pi by 2 is 1. Your limit will be changed 0 to 1. Here is 2 outside, 2 dz, 2 dz that is 5z square plus 8z plus 5. Now to take simplify, 5 is common, z square plus 8 by 5 z plus 5 by 8, that is 5, that is z square plus 2 into z into 4 by 5 plus 16 by 5, 5 by 5, that is 1, plus 1 minus 16 by 5, that is 5, that is z plus, this is 4 by 16 by 25. This will become, that is 4 by 5 whole square, 25 minus it, that is 3 by 5 whole square. So instead of this you can write this, that is 2 is outside, integration 0 to 1 dz, 0 to 1 dz 2 by 5, that is z plus 4 by 5 whole square plus 3 by 5 whole square. You know x square plus 1 by tan inverse x by a, that is 2 by 5, 1 by a means 5 by 3 tan inverse x by a, z plus 4 by 5 by a, 3 by 5, that is 0 to 1. 5 cancel, that is 2 by 3 tan 5z plus 4, 5z plus 4 by 3, limit 0 to 1, that is 2 by 3 tan inverse 1, 9 by 5 plus 4, 9 by 3, that is 3, tan inverse 1 means 9 by 3, tan inverse 3 minus, when 0, tan inverse 0, 4 by 3, that is the tan inverse 4 by 3. We can simplify it, that is 2 by 3 tan inverse a minus, that tan inverse a 4 by 3 tan inverse a minus b over 1 plus ab over 1 plus 3 into 4 by 3, that is 2 by 3 tan inverse 9, 5 by 3 into 1 by 5, that is 5 cancel, that is 2 by 3 tan inverse 1 by 3 is your final answer. That is your final answer. We can leave till this, but if we simplify, you will get 2 by 3 tan inverse 1 by 3. 5 cancel, 5 tan inverse 1 by 3. 2 by 3 tan inverse 1 by 3 is your final answer. Next, sum number 23. Here, question number 23, limit is 0 to pi by 2. Question number 23, 0 to pi by 2. We can divide cos square x, b square cos square x, or cos square x. So this will be sec square x dx. This is a square tan square x plus b square. If we divide cos square x, this will be there. Now we can do 0 to pi by 2 sec square x dx. We can divide it a square. We can write, we can divide it a square tan square x here plus b square. We can divide it tan x equals to z. Put tan x equals to z, then sec square x dx equals to dz. Now the limit change, when x equals to 0, z equals to 0, x equals to pi by 2, z equals to infinity. limit will be changed 0 to infinity. We can write 0 to infinity. Here dz a square z square plus b square. We can convert it 0 to infinity dz a square is common, z square plus b by a whole square, that is 1 by a square. It is x square plus a square. That is 1 by a means a by b, 1 by a tan inverse z by a means a by b. Limit is 0 to infinity. That is 1 by ab tan inverse infinity. That is 1 by ab tan inverse infinity. If you put upper limit, tan inverse infinity minus tan inverse 0, that is 1 by ab. Tan infinity is 1 by pi by 2, that is 2 by tan inverse infinity means pi by 2. That is pi by 2ab is your final answer. Here 0 to infinity. Tan inverse infinity, limit put limit 0, tan inverse 0. Tan inverse 0 is 0. Tan inverse infinity is pi by 2, tan inverse 0, 0, that is pi by 2ab. That is your final answer. Next, sum number 24. Sum number 24, you have to break it. First of all, 0 to pi by 4. Sum number 24. Question number 24. 0 to pi by 4. Sin x plus cos x dx. We can write 9 plus 16, 1 minus 1 plus 2 sin x cos x. 16, there is sin 2x, 1 minus this cancel, sin 2 sin x cos x. Why? Because we can write, this is formula, equals to 0 to pi by 4 sin x plus cos x dx, 9 plus 16, 1 minus, instead of 1 we can write sin square x plus cos x square x minus 2 sin x cos x. Because if you take minus 1, this will be 1 minus 2 sin x cos x. That is 0 to pi by 4 sin x plus cos x dx. We can write 9 plus 16 is 25 minus 16 sin x minus cos x whole square, a square 2ab, a square b square 2ab, that is sin x minus cos x whole square. 16 into 1 is 16, 9 plus 16, 9 plus 16 minus 16 to this. Now put sin x minus cos x equals to z, then cos x plus sin x dx equals to dz. And if you change the limit, if x equals to 0, z equals to 0. Now z equals to sin 0, 0 minus 1. If x equals to pi by 4, here is pi by, if x equals to pi by 4, z equals to pi by 5, 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2, that is 0. So limit will be changed minus 1 to 0 dz by 25 minus 16 z square. 25 minus 16 z square equals to minus 1 to 0 dz, 16 taking common, 5 by 4 এর whole square minus z square. 16 is taking common. So a square minus x square formula is coming. What is a square minus x square formula? It is 1 by 16 integration dx x square a square minus x square. That is 1 by 2a log a plus x by a minus x. That is a formula. A square minus x square formula. That is a square minus x square. That is 1 by 2a. 2a is 4 by 5 log of a plus x. 5 by 4 plus z by 5 by 4 minus z. Your limit is minus 1 to 0. Now put it, first of all simplify it. 4 4 is 16. That is 1 by 40 log of 5 plus 4z 5 minus 4z minus 1 to 0. That is 1 by 40 log of, when 0, log of 1, 5 by 40, 1 by 40 log, this is 0, this is 5 by 5 and 1 minus, when is minus 1, that is 5 minus 4 by 5 plus 4, that is 1 by 9. That is log 1 is 0, that is 1 by 40, 1 by 40 log 1 by 9. That is minus 1 by 40 log 9. That is 1 by 9. That is 1 by 40 log 9. 1 by 9 minus removed. That is 1 by 40 log 9 means 3 log 2. 2 log 3, sorry. Log 9 means 3 square, 2 log 3. That is 1 by 20 log of 3 is your final answer. Next, sum number 25. Sum number 25 is very good sum. Question number 25. Integration prove this equals to this. Integration 0 to pi by 2 log of, taking property pi by 2 minus x. Let I equals to I, this is I. Let I equals to this, I equals to this dx. That is 0 to pi by 2 log of cos x dx. This is I. This is I is this and this is I is this. That is 2i. 0 to pi by 2 log cos x plus log sin. This was I equals to this. That is log of sin x plus log of cos x dx. 2i is this. Then 2i equals to this. Then 2i equals to 0 to pi by 2 log of log a log ab log sin x cos x. We can write 2 by 2. That is 0 to pi by 2 the log sin 2x minus log 2 dx. So 0 to pi by 2, 2i equals to 0 to pi by 2 log of sin 2x dx minus log 2 0 to pi by 2 dx. Now put it here. Let 2x equals to z, then 2 into dx equals to dz, then dx equals to half of dz. Now change the limit when x equals to 0, z equals to 0, x equals to pi by 2, z equals to pi. Limit should be changed. That is 0 to pi log z, half will be there, half dz minus log 2 x derivative integration of x is x dx into x 0 to pi by 2, that is half. This will be 0 to pi by 2, that is we can write 0 to pi by 2, pi half will be maybe using property 0 to pi by 2 log x dx. There is a using property 0 to pi by 2 log z dz means 0 to pi by 2 log x dx. Using property minus log 2 into pi by 2. The value of log x dx, we know log x dx, it is z, sin x is z, log x dx. Here that is I equals to log sin x, sorry, it is log sin z dz, sin z log sin x dx. So log sin x is I, log sin is I, that is 2i minus I, that I equals to minus pi by 2 log 2, that is minus pi by 2 log 2 is answer. Next sum number 26. Question number 26. Here you have to be using the property 26. 0, here I equals to 0 to pi by 4 log of 1 plus tan pi by 4 minus theta dx, using property that is equals to 0 to pi by 4 log of 1 plus tan a minus the formula tan a minus tan b over 1 plus tan a tan b, here is d theta. Now equals to 0 to pi by 4 log 1 plus tan pi by 4 means 1 minus tan theta by 1 plus tan theta d theta, because tan pi by 4 value is 1, that is 0 to pi by 4 log of 1 plus tan theta plus 1 minus tan theta by 1 plus tan theta cancel d theta, that is 0 to pi by 4 log of log 2 minus log of 1 plus tan theta d theta. We can remove, we can break this 0 to pi by 4, this 0 to pi by 4, this. Now that is I equals to 0 to pi by 4 log 2 d theta minus I, this is I, that is 2I equals to log 2, this is log 2 d theta 0 to pi by 4 d theta, that is equals to log 2 theta 0 to pi by 4, that is pi by 4 log 2, 2I equals to this, then I equals to pi by 8 log 2, pi by 8 log 2 is the answer. Next sum number 27. Sum number 27 using property. Question number 27. 0 to pi by 2. Pi by 2 minus x sin pi by 2 minus x cos pi by 2 minus x over cos to the power 4x by sin to the power 4x dx. Here I equals to this, equals to 0 to pi by 2. Here pi by 2 sin x cos x, pi by 2, we can break it, pi by 2 minus x sin x cos x dx by cos to the power 4x plus sin to the power 4x. Now pi by 2 this minus x this, that is pi by 2 integration 0 to pi by 2 sin x cos x dx by sin to the power 4x plus cos to the power 4x minus integration 0 to pi by 2 x sin x cos x dx by sin to the power 4x plus cos to the power 4x. This is I is coming left hand side, that is 2I equals to pi by 2. In this we have to change cos to the power 4x, that is sin x cos x by cos to the power 4x dx by tan to the power 4x plus 1 cos cube. That is, we can write pi by 2, it is 0 to pi by 2 limit pi by 2 0 to pi by 2. This is sin tan x sec square x, tan x sec square x dx by, we can write tan square x whole square plus 1. Now tan square x equals to z, put tan square x equals to z, that is 2 tan x sec square x dx equals to dz. The tan x sec square is half of dz. We can write pi by 2 into half. This is dz by z square plus 1. This z square plus 1, that is 1 by a, and you have to limit change. When x equals to 0, z equals to 0. When x equals to pi by 2, z tan 90 is infinity. Your limit will be 0 to infinity. Your limit will be 0 to infinity. Now pi by 4 tan inverse z by 1, x square plus z tan inverse z.